How to clean up Telegram chats? What you need to do is you have to open your Telegram app. As we know that we get notified whoever joins the Telegram from our contacts. Here you can see a lot of people have joined from my contacts, and then whomever you want to delete the chat, whomever you have talked and remove your chat, you can simply click on that person's account, and then here after clicking on that you can simply, I want to delete this some of this photo, this is the only thing that I have, you can consider it as chats. You can simply long press it and you can simply click on the delete option given. You can simply delete for me or you can delete for both of us. So I have deleted from me and I'll invent so you to delete it from me and her, I mean from both. And what else we can do is we can simply click on their profile, a long press on their profile, and after clicking on that you will get a delete option. You can simply click on delete and you will get the same option. So here I'm clicking on delete from all, and yeah, that is how you can clean up Telegram chats by one and one. You can click delete all of the chats by doing and continuing the same process.